My dad became seriously interested in sports cars around 1950 when he helped with security and traffic control for the original Elkhart Lake road races. At 19 years old, he had a chance to have a practice ride in a 1.5-liter Ferrari and also to see machinery like Briggs Cunningham's Chrysler-powered monsters. One could say, my dad was hooked. In March of 1956, my dad spotted a gorgeous blue Austin-Healey 100 BN2 in the showroom of Wisconsin Auto Sales in downtown Milwaukee. He stopped by the next day, put down a $15 deposit, and was soon the proud owner of this Healey. That transaction also included trading in his 1951 Ford two-door sedan, effectively making the Healey his daily driver. And yes, he did live and work in Wisconsin. Not exactly the most hospitable weather or winter road conditions for a year-round roadster, but to my dad, this was all part of the adventure of owning this car. After attending the 1958 12 Hours of Sebring, my dad started to think that perhaps he could become Wisconsin's version of Juan Manuel Fangio or Sterling Moss. Around this time, my dad added a U.S. racing stripe down the middle of the Healey. However, it took only a few amateur races to convince him that he didn't have the talent, equipment, or finances to compete in the 2.5 3-liter class.